was like three. Excuse me.
Bruh.
This is hot for real. It was like $3.85, I think, per tender.
Yes.
I hope I'm wrong. That's a lot for one tender. What's up, KeToMi crew? It's your boy KeToMi Papi, and we are back for another mukbang. I know it's been a while since I've done one of these. I've done a couple of food reviews, and my last food review I did the Buffalo Wild Wings Doritos Flaming Hot Nacho Wings. If you guys haven't seen that video, you can click the link up in the front. That one was pretty interesting, I might say. So I'm here with another spicy mukbang, and as you read the title and the thumbnail, we are at Dave's Hot Chicken. Guys, this is my first time here. There's not too many locations here in Houston by me, but I was able to get one that was pretty dope. The customer service was excellent. I got the #1 combo, which is 2 tenders. It comes with 2 tenders, some fries, and I opted to get an extra tender and extra hot. So my tenders all of them are hot, but one of them are extra hot, and to be honest, I can't even remember which one is the extra hot one. So hopefully you guys can get a reaction on which one that one is. So they also gave me plenty of this Dave's hot sauce. So hopefully all of this is good. This is not a food review. This is just me going in on some Dave's hot chicken. I'm really hyped about this one, guys. They also gave me some coleslaw, kale slaw is what they call it. So let's see how this one goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and okay, here we go. So I got the sauce open here. I just love sauce in general, so I tend to just put sauce on everything, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it justice by just giving it the first bite without the sauce. All right. Oh, you know what? Let's get a thumbnail if we can. Let's see. How am I gonna do this? We gotta get the thumbnail. Let's see what we got here. Oh, gosh, my mic is in the way. Let's see what we got here. See if we can get this one here. All right, that's enough being goofy. Let me see if I can get you guys a close shot. I know you guys already seen it, but let's see if we can get y'all closer to this right here. Yeah. If it can focus. Come on, camera, focus. Still trying to work with that camera. Let's go ahead and get the first bite in here.
Tasty.
Like I said before, I don't know which one is the extra hot, which is unfortunate. I was trying to keep track of that, but I kind of got a little too excited and I lost track. Let's go ahead and try with this Dave's hot sauce right here. Oh my gosh, look at that. That first bite was
Delicious.
Oh my gosh. A lot of anticipation leading up to this event. I call it event because I love hot chicken, and you know, when you're on Instagram and stuff, you see all these vibrant red chickens, and you just want to, it just kind of drives you crazy when you're hungry. I saw this was in my town and drove me crazy for sure.
Oh my God.
I can't even lie, it was expensive. It was like excuse me. This is hot for real. It was like $3.85, I think, per tender. I hope I'm wrong. That's a lot for one tender. So far, It's well worth it. If this is your first time watching me, my name is KeToMi Papi, and I make a lot of dope keto recipes. You guys can find my recipes in the description below. Mainly, they're going to be on KeToMi_Papi on Instagram. Highly recommend you check me out over there. We have a lot of fun. I've been working a lot, so you know, like a cheat day, or how do I say it? Keto has left the chat, music. As I like to say, is going down in progress as we speak. So go ahead and check me out on Instagram, KeToMi_Papi. I also have some more recipes on my website, KeToMiPapi.com. Y'all show me some love. If you guys like videos like this, go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell so we can interact with your boy and never miss another video. I promise you guys are in the right place. I'm gonna have to get scissors. Man, these sauce packets are a little hard to open. It might be because my hands are greasy. I don't know. But let me see if I can get something that would help me open this, because the sauce is really, really good. Let me get some. Oh, I have some scissors right here. Use these right here. Come on, Dave's Hot Chicken. That was difficult. You guys didn't even have like a scene for me to, you know, work with. Give me a moment. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try these fries. I don't have a fork, but that's okay. We're going to try these fries, see how they taste. You know what? They did give me a fork. Apparently, I can't see right now. Let's try these right here.
Oh, wow.
Dave's Hot Chicken. I think we got something here. If you guys have been to Dave's Hot Chicken, let me know what you thought of it. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Is it overrated? Because there's a lot of hype on it. I'm gonna go ahead and try this slaw. I'm not a big slaw guy, to believe it or not. I don't really like slaw like that, but I like it for some weird reason with hot chicken. It just goes really well with hot chicken. So, and this is a pretty good slaw. I'm surprised at how long it's taken me to get down this tender. So far, so good. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up for your boy. But if you're watching, you're eating some Dave's Hot Chicken at this time, or if you're thinking about eating some Dave's Hot Chicken, go ahead and like, support your boy, and I really appreciate it. If you're watching me from my Instagram, let me know down in the comment section which one of my recipes that you like the most. I got a lot of work to give you guys, and I'm really, really excited to be here. I made a really delicious queso nacho burger that a lot of people seem to like. just kind of came to mind to kind of like infuse the beef patties with taco seasoning, you know. It was genius. Where are you guys watching me from? Let me know. Kind of curious. I think I remember which one's the extra hot. Is this one right here? That one's the extra hot. I'm not even sure where Dave's Hot Chicken originated from. Is it from like Cali or? I don't even know why I always guess California first. It could be like Tennessee or something. I'm gonna have to look that up. Man. The best feeling is when you take your first bite after not eating all day.
Huh?
But nothing makes me more happy than being here with you guys. I've been, trying to figure out what schedule works best for me so I can deliver on both ends. Also, people who are waiting for me on my KeToMi Recipes video, stay tuned. I got something coming up for you guys. I know it's been a while. It's been like a couple days, but I got you guys in the mix. Don't worry. I got more food reviews coming up. Dave's Hot Chicken is so good, guys. I'm gonna take one bite of this extra hot, and I'm gonna go ahead and take my L for the day. I didn't realize I was consuming like a piece of bread with each tender. It's like 2 tenders.
Bruh.
Let's go ahead and see if I can. Let's see how hot this really is, guys. Extra hot right here. Woo, boy. Excuse me. Let's go. No slaw. Got some sauce on it though. Extra hot is not the hottest. They got like a Reaper sauce too, like a Reaper seasoning. To be honest, my spice tolerance is pretty high, so I couldn't really tell if it was spicy or not. Now that I'm talking, I can feel it tingle in the back of my throat. This one is definitely spicy. This isn't a food review, but for me being at Dave's Hot Chicken for the first time, this is getting a 5 all day. 100%. I mean, it's expensive, but it doesn't really matter to me. It's well worth the price. Dave's Hot Chicken. You guys have something special. If you guys have one nearby and you haven't tried it, take it from your boy KeToMi Papi. That is legit, especially if you love hot chicken. If you guys like videos like this, go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell. If you guys want more value, recipes, awesome content, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at KeToMi_Papi. I also upload little clips of my recipes right here on YouTube in my short section. So there's no way for you to miss my content. Guys, I love being here with you guys. Make sure you exercise, you eat healthy, have your cheat days when you're supposed to. If you eat good, you're going to look good. It's your boy, KeToMi Papi, signing out. Until next time. Peace.